necessary support information. Example for the manual, the provenance and the sorting, the guidelines, guides and the instruction and the processing that the required for the resolve all the constituents for of the transaction phase. The software where increment becomes used to software related the product and the phase of the up constant with the development activity for the support for the operating environment, and the environment is the provide and the defect report and the requirement for the change are the submitted and the incubation. It is the like to the at the some time of the consolidation, the transaction and the production phase are the begin the quantitative on the work and the have already began on the next software in the implement this means the by the five the phase and do performance in the square fact, but the result will with stage currently conferencing. So we can continue to the point and the a software engineering workflow describe it access all the up phase in the cortex of up and the work phase in the improvement in the set of the defined chapter that is the working and the defined in the take requirement required to the execute phase in the implement software engineering work to action and the work products and the products can as a consequence of the successful the component completing in the test. It is solved with the notice that the every task identify for the up workflow is quantified for the every software project. The time of the advanced the project object task and the work to meet to in the needs. Unified process work products figure. I listing the key work products. The products as the constituent keys of the four technical of the phase and during the of the implementation phase the include in the inclusive and the overall version for the part identify as a set of business requirement as a business case for the software and define the project and the business risk that the report and that to be success from the software engineering and the point of view of the most important work to process and the products duration the increments for the using case a qualification for the case upon that they describe how to outside action human and the non-human user of the software in the depth with the system and the gain value for it it is can is the use to case is model to qualification of the software using the sense of the descriptions with the standardized the template of the implement and software feature and the function by the describe a set of the recognition as a flow of the elements of a script and set of the post